You should buy this Jordan 1 now before it's too late. Today we're going to take a look at a pair of Air Jordan 1s. In my opinion, you guys need to buy now before it's too late, because this Jordan 1 is going to continue to go up in price. This Jordan 1 has gone up in price already since its release. It will continue to go up in price. This is a great personal sneaker, a very wearable sneaker, very versatile, very dope, quality is awesome, and this is a Jordan 1 that is going to continue to go up in price in both men's and grade school sizes. So make sure you guys cop up. Buy this Jordan 1 now before it's too late. Today is Valentine's Day. You guys can see I do have balloons attached to my chair. So it is Valentine's Day. Addressing the balloon situation right now. With that being said, let's get into this Jordan 1. Trust me, this is a buy now. Buy them right now. We all love Jordan 1s, and in 2020, we had a bunch of great Jordan 1 releases. This year, I'm excited for even more Jordan 1 releases. We have a bunch of Jordan 1s that have dropped already, a few pairs, some really dope heat like the trophy rooms, and we have more exciting Jordan 1s like the UNCs, some other stuff we haven't even seen yet releasing here in 2021. But in 2020, right here, I'm going to show you guys what, in my opinion, was definitely a must-cop, one of the best Jordan 1s of 2020. I don't think it was the best, but I do think it was definitely up there, definitely probably top 5. A very dope Jordan 1, maybe even top 3. It was awesome. I really like this sneaker. A lot of you have it, a lot of you don't have it, and I'm going to tell you guys, buy this Jordan 1 now. Buy them now. Buy them now. You should have bought them already. I have done a video on this sneaker before, but guys, I told you to buy the sneaker when it released. If you didn't, they have gone up and creeped up in price already. They're about $280, $300, $280, $290. They will see $4. They will see $4, maybe even $450. Buy them now, especially in the grade school sizes. Buy them now, guys. Cop up this Jordan 1. Let's take a look. We do have a regular Jordan 1 box. I'm excited, man. Make sure you guys buy these. You need to. I did pick up another pair. I do have a few pairs that I'm sitting on. I also have a personal pair, so I have some of this Jordan 1. I'm getting me some pairs. I need some more pairs. So if you're looking to sell now, hey, shoot me a DM over on Instagram. Make sure you give me a follow over on Instagram as well, because over on my Instagram, I'm giving away a pair of Nike Dunk Michigans. Make sure you guys check out the post. It's over on my Instagram. Give me a follow. Make sure you guys smash that like button on this video as well. Now, this Jordan 1, man, dope shoe. Quality is nice. It's a must-have. Let's take a look at them, and we'll talk more about why I think this Jordan 1 is a buy now if you haven't bought them already, and they will continue to go up in price. Right here, whew, the smoke gray, the light smoke gray Air Jordan 1. This right here is the Jordan 1 light smoke gray, and these are fire, straight fire. Guys, cop them now if you haven't already. I'm going to tell you a little secret about this sneaker. This sneaker is going to continue to go up in price. I promise you. 100%. Continue to go up. These will see $400. I promise. Easy $400 sneaker in my hand right now. Right now, like I said, $280, $300, easy $4, probably $450. Guys, buy them. Buy them, buy them, buy them, buy them now. Let's talk about quality. Let's start with the quality of materials. Awesome. Really nice leather used. Nice suedes used. Black, red, gray, white. Colorway. Awesome. Let's be real. Very wearable sneaker. Very wearable. They give really nice vibes. A black outsole. They're easy to clean. You can't beat that. You do have the beautiful Nike Air as well. And you got black laces. And if you want to swap them, you do got white laces as well to match the tongue. The leather on the toe, soft AF. Like, it's very soft. Very soft leather used on this Jordan 1. Buy them now. If you can, buy them locally. See if you can pay $250, $260, $270 locally. They're very reminiscent. I think a lot of people think of the Union LA Jordan 1s, which I do see with some of the details as well. So, guys, sky's the limit. It was a big GR. You know, a lot of people have pairs. There's a lot of pairs out there. They're guaranteed. I promise you, they're going to go up. They're going to go up. This is just my opinion. I just want to state that. My opinion, but I'm sure a lot of you agree with me. In fact, if you do agree with me, hit that thumbs up. Let me know if you agree that these will go to $400. Let me know if you agree with that. I think in 2021, there's a good chance they'll see 400. 350, 400, 2021. Dope shoe. Pick them up, guys. They're clean, especially some grade school sizes. Very wearable. Grade school is killing it with just Jordan 1s in general. Grade school is killing the game. So make sure you guys pick up Smoke Gray Air Jordan 1s now, before it's too late, whether it's for personal or it's for the resale. If you're reselling them, hold them. If you're looking to invest, hold them. If you want personal, make sure you buy them now because they're so wearable. Buy them now. Trust me, before it's too late and they see $400. This video is sponsored by Title Marketplace. I'm going to leave everything you guys need to know about Title Marketplace down below in the description. They do supply bots. If you're looking to cop sneakers and rent a bot, it's the best way to go about doing it. They will help you everything you guys need to know about bots. They'll help you set it up. They'll help you cop everything. Step A all the way to Z, everything. All the steps complete. They will help you. You rent the bot from them for a very affordable price. Very, very dope. For as long as you want, you go ahead and rent it. And there's different bots. There's different types of bots, sneaker bots. So make sure you guys check out Title Marketplace. It's a dope way to increase your chances of copying sneakers. Having a bot does not guarantee you're going to get the shoe, but it does, of course, significantly increase your chances of copying. So make sure you guys check out Title Marketplace. Everything you guys need to know is down below in the description. Yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think about the Smoke Gray Jordan 1s. Are they a cop? Are they not? Do you see them hitting that $400? I definitely think so. This year, 350, 400. This year, easy, especially in the grade school sizes. This is a very dope shoe. I'm very ecstatic to pick up another pair. I am sitting on some pairs, like I said, and I'm looking to cop some more. Dope shoe, awesome colorway. I love them. Very dope. I do have a personal that I have worn already, so I think they're clean. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you guys love sneakers. If you love sneaker giveaways, make sure you give me a follow over on Instagram. I'll leave that down below in the description. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.